Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to McDonald's Theater again. Let's go. We finally got our voice. I actually wanted to do all my videos with voice, but since I was doing some in mobile and some in my computer, I couldn't put voice in all. And if I even put voice, the video would start lagging heavily. So that's why I didn't put voice. Now I can for Hollow Knight only. For Minecraft I can't still like put the voice for it. But we'll do that. We'll do that too soon. Yeah. Now last time I don't remember if we defeated the false knight. Let me just check over here. Let's get some free geo actually. Let's get a free geo. Did I get my I didn't get vengeful spirit. Let's go. Some people think that this guy is the first main boss in the game, but this guy is not the first boss. In my first playthrough, even I struggled with this boss. I struggled. It took me 5 to 6 tries to kill this guy because I was afraid of his attack and I couldn't beat it. That's just showing. Shaw. Garana. I hope the voice does not crack. Oh, we defeated the false knight. Okay, let's go. So I guess we can take the bench in the ancestral mound and complete the what is that guy's name? The snail quest, which will actually help us a lot to go to green path. Many people lose their way after defeating false knight because they would not know that they have to actually go here and kill kill this boulder. Okay, now let's take the quest. Oh, what is that creeping out of the darkness? My, you're looking grim. A strange 50 face, a wicked looking weapon. Something important has drawn into Howlin's corpse, but I won't ask what. Perhaps you have found me because you need my help. Say no more, I've got a gift, blah blah blah. Okay, let's continue. The Vengeful Spirit. I have not completed the entire game, but I've gotten the 3 dreamers. I guess I have to go into the temple of the Black Egg. Oh, F, okay. Oh wait, I'll just... I'm not speedrunning. Guys, if you want Hollow Knight speedrunning videos, just let me know in the comment by typing speedrun please. Speedrun, not even please, speedrun. Just type speedrun in the comments and I'll do the Minecraft speedruns for you guys. Oh, by the way, I am that one person who thought you couldn't hit these smaller boulders when they were rolling because I thought these guys had that hard shell. And then after that my brother told me that you can actually hit them while they are rolling. All this while I thought you need to actually wait for them to open and then you need to attack them. So I struggled a lot for Elder Boulder. It took me like 10 tries to defeat Elder Boulder. If my brother hadn't saved me that day, I would have never defeated Elder Boulder. Okay, let's heal over here. I guess there is a lifeblood soul totem. Yeah, the lifeblood is down. I think after defeating the Elder Boulder. Okay, one more and he's dead. Yep, I knew that. It takes 4 Vengeful Spirit. It's actually a very easy boss fight. And let's collect our Soul Catcher charm, which is actually not that useful in my opinion. Soul Catcher is not that useful. Let's see. Lurking in the heart of the temple, well yet to slain the creature I was sacred. Let's go. Time for green path, friends. Let's go. Time for green path. guys, we'll go to green path. Oh, coniferous. Guys, should we defeat Molek right now or okay? What am I? I'm asking like this is a live stream. Of course, this is not a live stream. Well, comment if you want me defeating Molek now or after getting dash. We'll just enter the green path. We'll do the Hornet fight in the next episode. Well, I guess the episode the episode is already like pre-planned only, so I guess the Molek fight is after hitting dash only. But plus it's very hard to like do the Molek fight without one more just to reach the let's go. 4 hits. Do I have the wayward compass? No, I don't have the wayward compass. I have to take the wayward compass. Without the wayward compass, guys, the the navigation traversing is actually difficult for me. Fun fact: I am like this in IRL. I'm like this in IRL. Can't do anything about it. Oh no! No way! What? Hiya! Hiya! I'm always like see, my crossroads has become forgotten crossroads, so I'm always like there'll be that one mosquito over there which will hunt me down. Blast.
Papanada.
He'll pop up back eventually. Let's see what you have in store. Give me that. The best charm in the game is Wayward Compass. Interesting spots. Vendor pin, whatever. Let's go. Hope I don't get copyrighted. 7 minutes 42 seconds. Guys, if you want Hollow Knight speedrun, I'll tell you again. Tell speedrun in the comments, and I'll give you the Hollow Knight speedrun. And plus, please tell me how to do the flower quest. It's actually difficult. I can't do it on my personal file. It has taken me over 300 attempts. Okay, not 300, 6 attempts. I can't do the flower quest in 6 attempts. I mean, I went to Queen's Garden. I almost reached Queen's Garden, but then I failed because of those one. Oh my god! I'm like, bro, I don't even have Isma Sphere. I mean that, like, my muscle is set for that. I have that muscle memory that I have Isma Sphere. I can jump in the acid. No, I don't even have dash. This is actually hard without dash and Monarch Wings and claw. Right, this without the pure name and the mark of pride. It's so difficult. Why didn't I get those? Oh wait, I didn't take the journal, right? I'll take the journal. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, if you're on low health and are on green path, you can actually come here for a bench. Many people miss this bench actually. I guess Hornet comes in the next two, if I'm not wrong. Oh, let's fight Hornet. Garana! Oh, Hornet! Oh, wait, I'll do the script. Over over here, over here. Bro! Oh my god. Wait, let me try the fireballs before I Hey, I guess I cannot do that. Nope, I can't do that. I ain't fireborn, man. I'm just me. I'm not fireborn or blue SR to pull out this type of skill. Oh, by the way, this is. Why don't they give this much at the start? I want this much here. I'm what? Bro. That's what you get for messing with me. That's what you get. Geo is important, guys. For Sly and for Bapanada. No, not for Bapanada. But for Sly it's important. Oh yeah, we'll get the concept map. This conifer is in the next. These guys were one shot. These guys were one shot.
Hungry Mopta.
Take map. Let's go. Okay, guys, we'll meet in the next episode. Till then, take care.